Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. This is a channel where I normally do makeup, but I've been doing a little miniature designer haul for the summer, and today is going to be one of those that I went coach crazy, as you can see. And so I decided to buy myself some shoes to tie me over for the summer, something relaxing, something new, because I hadn't really shopped that much last summer for clothes and shoes and stuff. So this summer I kind of went a little crazy. So we're going to start off with this here, sandals. And I did buy these in the size 8 because they were only in whole sizes. And I know that my foot, the top of my foot, is like a hump there. So it's not going to fit off into that correctly all the way. So I have to buy these kind of big so I can get past this point. And these are so pretty. It came with the care booklet, and these are sandals for walk. They call them beach sandals or pool sandals, but I ain't gonna use them for no pool or no beach because I'm not near a pool or a beach. I'm gonna use these for everyday walking around. And these here costed me, let's see here, $89.60. I got them on sale. Okay, so let me put them back. That's how I do my sandals when I'm storing them. Alright, and this is for the Pride month. I think the rainbow. It's rainbow. All I know is I liked it. And I got these here also in a size 8. And these here ran me $89.60. These two were on sale. I think they further discounted them to $75 for this for the next 2 days on the sale. But I got them for $89.60. And these are so pretty. Like I said, these are size 8. What is this? What is that? What was that? Okay. And also came with a care booklet as well. But isn't he so pretty? Like, can you just imagine everything you can wear these with? Yellow outfit, green outfit, blue outfit, orange outfit. I want to say red, but I don't see no red. Oh, purple. Very subtle, but purple. Isn't he just so pretty? I like him. Can't complain. So I also picked up a handbag. And I needed gray. I think I said this a few videos back that I had no gray shoes and no gray purses. And I needed some because I be having outfits that I be buying that's in gray. And I had neither one. So this time I decided to buy some gray boots and also this gray purse. Let's see, the purse ran me... Oh, wow. I think it was $131. It was on sale. So... let's see here. So let's open this together. Alright, let's see the inside of it. There we go. A lot of fluff. They put a lot of stuffing in this. Okay. Inside looks in the inside. Let's see here. It's got not a zipper pocket, but just a pocket. And it has a zipper side to it too as well. But this is how the purse looks. Like I said, I think I got this for $131 on sale. They was having a sale on them. Well, I'm not gonna open it. It's gonna be too hard to open with just one hand. And here's a key fob. Isn't that nice? And it's a pretty gray. I got it in a structured type of situation. Yeah. Alright, moving on. Now these are so like, look at them. Now these I bought in 7.5, and I did try them on, so they kind of run kind of big, but I'm okay with that. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Such a pretty, vibrant yellow. Mind you of a good makeup pigment where the yellow is just vibrant. This is nice. I really like that. I really like that. Alright, so moving on to this box. Now this one here, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. I bought this in 7.5. I should have went up a half a size because I did try them on. And the thing is, what do you say? My foot, like I said, I have a hump on the top of my foot. And when it's like this and it's not movable and it's stiff, my feet is not going to reach all the way in there. My feet gets to about right here at the top of my foot, to about right there. I mean, they're big because once it gets right there, there's still room in the back, but it's getting parted past the hump on my foot. Now these pink ones I really did like, so I had to have them. And let's see, I got these here for $114 on sale. And pink is my favorite color. Let's see. Well, I can't make out the name on it, but it is Coach. And I do like them. And this is how they look. Let me take the thing out of the stuff, Now, I have several things I can wear this with. That's the reason for getting it. And I like it. And it's so pretty. And like I said, I got it in a size 7.5. Isn't that just so cute? Look at this pink is bussing. It's bamming. Anyways, that was my haul for Coach. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And also please do like and subscribe. And God bless. Bye.